Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry and today I'm going to be unboxing an item that I purchased from LV online. I have the item here in this box right here. This was on my wish list. I did take it off and then I just kept seeing this item pop up on multiple videos of people who I follow and don't follow because I had been searching for this item to look at different reviews and stuff. So the item just was in my head, so I decided let me go ahead and just pull the trigger, see what this item is about, and hopefully I like it, and if I don't, I'm going to send it back. Now normally I don't post videos of items that I don't keep, but this one I was unsure of, and I'm still unsure of just because of the item itself. So let me go ahead and unbox this item. If you're interested in finding out what I have, then please stay tuned. Alright you guys, so as I said, it's in this box right here. I've already pulled out the little tab. Comes in this box. Have the receipt here. And here's the item in this dust bag right here. So cute. To reveal the Palm Springs mini backpack. So I have been eyeing this little cutie, and of course you all know I'm in this mini bag phase, so I figured, do I want to add this to my collection? Like I stated before, I did have it on my wish list, so I wanted to get it and see what it was about, and hopefully I like it. In the event that I do like this, I will be selling one of my other bags. So let me kind of show you some up close pictures of this, or shots of this. Now this bag is clearly not new, and I'm obviously late to the game on the Palm Springs mini backpack. Comes with the straps on the inside. And it looks like it has the little care cards that it comes with on the inside as well. So this bag currently retails for $1,990, and I will suspect that this will eventually go up because Louis Vuitton is known for their prices to increase. Here's the side of the bag, the handle. Here's the back with the pleating detail, the stitching. Here's the other side with the zipper. And here's the front with this little pocket. Now this pocket has this flap here. This flap makes it a little bit difficult to try to get into it. I can unzip it if I hold the flap and then pull it, but I can't put my hand in it. So I mean, you can't even open this flap up, so I'm not exactly sure why it's here. I assume that it's here for aesthetic purposes only, because if it didn't have this little pocket here, the bag would look kind of plain. So I assume it's like a design feature. It has the gold hardware, and what I know I don't like about this already is this. You guys see how lopsided this is right here? Not really sure. It looks like the piping, it doesn't have any piping, but I don't know if you can see that. This is offset on the inside. I already know I don't like that. I'll probably try to get another one because that would irk me just looking at that being lopsided like that. Alright, nonetheless, it is cute. It smells really good, smells new. Has that fresh out of the box Louis Vuitton smell. But I wanted to do this quick unboxing just to show you guys this little cutie. My initial thoughts on it is I do like it. I think it is cute. I see why all the hype over this bag. I'm not a big fan of carrying backpacks, so I think I would probably most likely carry it as a top handle. I could see myself carrying it like this all the time. I know some people use it as a crossbody, but my style, I'm not sure I could get away with this as a crossbody, though I would at least try it just to make sure. I wouldn't assume first, but that wouldn't be my first thing to do, would be to try it as a crossbody. So first I would carry it like this and definitely have the strap to throw it over my shoulder in the event I needed to. So probably be like a little long shoulder bag. Yes, a crossbody for conveniency, but definitely I could see myself carrying. I think carrying it like this is so cute. So I could definitely see myself holding this like this. All right, you guys. So here's my quick unboxing of the Palm Springs Mini. If you have any questions about this item, I'll leave the information in the description box. I'll put the item code, again, the price of it, the name, and all the details of this item. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you stay along for the ride. I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.